Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely afro puff. If you are new here, please consider subscribing for more DIYs. I used a small donut from Clicks, a scissor and a crochet. I also used Sapphire Afro hair, the whole pack, and that is about 3 bundles. Please note that this is not the huge donut they use for wedding hairstyles. Please buy the small one. And this is the only color I found, although I now see the black ones when I go to Clicks or Discount, so the black one is there. I cut the ends on both sides to make it easier to separate the afro hair, so basically it's to reduce tangling. Per strand, I separated about 4 or 5 strands to make it easier to crochet and tie. So when I crochet the afro hair, I hold the hair in the middle, then twist in opposite directions, and then insert the hair inside the crochet, then close the crochet and pull. After inserting the hair on the donut, I tie the hair once because it will not be easy to unravel. What I've noticed is that the crochet hook is a bit thick, so you just have to be extra patient there. If you have the thinner one, you can use it, and that will be beneficial to you. The key here is to crochet the afro hair very close to each other so that the puff can be full or have volume. So when you reach the middle part, just keep on adding more hair very close to each other so that the hole can be closed or rather be hidden. And also you can just choose to increase the afro hair so that it looks more bulkier and have more volume. So here I'm just gonna cut the excess hair and shape the puff. I will not cut a lot because I still want my afro to be huge, you know. The good thing about this afro hair is that it's not too long to collide with your clothes, meaning that it's gonna last longer. And here I'm just going to show you how I wear the puff. So to finish the afro puff, it took me about an hour or an hour and a half. It does require some patience though. Please let me know on the comment box if it's something you would like to try, or it's better to buy a ready-made puff. I mean, as you can see for yourself, that it's gonna save you on your bad hair days, or you just want some volume effortlessly, just like me, or you have short hair and you want to increase it a bit. I wore the puff for a week, that's why it looks full and super curly. So the more you wear it, the more it looks prettier and super natural. So I use about 3 pins to secure it. So if you create a bun with your hair or extended hair, your Afro puff will be secure. And this is how it looks like if I just put on the Afro puff alone without any ribbon. And also I'll show you when I put some hairband. You can also wear some scarf or doek according to your preference. As you can see, it looks very natural. So when I wore this during the week, everyone was busy looking at me. They couldn't even ask if it's natural or not. So that's how super natural it is. And somehow my hair looks black these days, I don't know why, but since I use the clove water spray, my hair looks black. When I use like brown hairpiece, it does show that no man, my hair is black. So it does help in this situation right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with our fellow sisters so that we can help them. As you can see right here, I will see you on the next one. Bye.